Good morning, dear friends. In today's video, I will discuss the concept of multiplication of matrices. That means what are the various rules how we have to multiply two or three matrices. The first condition is number of columns of first matrix must equal to the number of rows of second matrix. If we are multiplying two matrices, that means the number of columns of first matrix should be equal to the rows of the second matrix. And secondly, result will have the same number of rows as the first matrix and the same number of columns as the second matrix. These are the two conditions. So I will explain with the illustration. Let us suppose I have taken one matrix of 2 into 2 order and B, this is also taken by 2 into 2 order. Here I will firstly check both these two rules. That means here the number of columns, this is the row position, this is the column position. Number of column of first should equal to the number of row of second. That means 2 equal to 2. So multiplication is possible because our rule says this one. So the new matrix that will be formulated after multiplying A and B, it will have the order 2 into 2. That means new matrix will have the order 2 into 2. How we have to multiply? Firstly, we have to multiply the first row with the column of B matrix. That means 1 into 5, first element multiply by first element, second element multiply by second one. 1 into 5, that is 5. 2 into 7, that is 2 into 7, it is 14. Then first row will be multiplied with the second column of second matrix. 1 into 6, 6 and 2 into 8, that is 16. Now all the columns of the second matrix are finished. So we will shift on the second row. Second row multiply with the first column of second matrix. That means 3 into 5, 15 and 4 into 7, 28. Now I will move to the second column. 3 into 6, 18 and 4 into 8, 32. So now I will add the elements 5 plus 14, that will be 19, and 6 plus 16, that will be 22, and 15 plus 28, that is 43, then this will be 50. And so this is the order of, we can check there are two rows and two columns. So AB matrix have order 2 into 2. This is already we have mentioned in the rule 2. Whenever the new matrix will be formulated, it will be having this one order. That means two rows and two columns. So this is the illustration. One more illustration I will explain. Let us suppose this is the matrix. A is equal to minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 5 and B is given 5 minus 1 minus 4, 0, 2, 3. So we have to find out the AB and BA. AB, that means firstly I will check, write down the order. There are two rows. So I have written 2 rows and 3 columns. So I have written 3 columns. Here is also 3 rows and 2 columns. So in this, firstly, we will check the first rule. That means number of columns of first matrix should be equal to the number of columns of, rows of second matrix. If we have to find AB, AB means firstly we will put the A and secondly we put the B. So number of columns of first should be equal to number of rows of second. So there, this condition is verified. So we can multiply AB and the new matrix have the order 2 into 2. That means we will find out that whenever we after multiplication, new matrix have the order 2 into 2. How we have to multiply? Firstly, we have to multiply first row with the first column. That means minus 1 into 5, 2 into minus 4 and 3 into 2. That is written. The next is minus 1 into minus 1, 2 into 0 and 3 into 3. This is I have written. Now all the columns of the second matrix are finished. So I will switch on the shift on the second row. 4 into 5. 0 into minus 4, 5 into 2. Then I will multiply the second row with the second column. 4 into minus 1, 0 into 0, 5 into 3. This one I have calculated minus 5, minus 8 plus 6, 1 plus 9, 20 plus 30 and minus 40, minus 4 plus 15. So I am getting minus 7, 10, 30 and 11. This is the matrix of order 2 into 2. Firstly, I already said that means whenever we get the AB matrix, that will have the order 2 into 2. Now I have to calculate the BA. How I have to calculate the BA? Firstly, I will write the B matrix and A matrix. Then B, this is the rows, 3 rows and 2 columns. This is the 2 rows, 3 columns. So order of number of columns of first should be equal to number of rows of second. So this is the same. So multiplication of BA is possible. The same process is applicable. That means first row with the first column, 5 into minus 1 and minus 1 into 4. Then row will be the same, but column will be shifted. 5 into 2 minus 1 into 0. Then 5 into 3 and minus 1 into 5. This is the first row. Now all the columns are finished. Now I will shift the second row. Minus 4 into minus 1, 0 into 4. This is I have written minus 4 into 2, 0 into 0. Then minus 4 into third column, minus 4 into 3 and 0 into 5. Now all the columns are finished, so I will shift on the third row. 2 into minus 1, 3 into 4. Firstly, I multiply with the first column, then third row with the second column. 2 into 2, 3 into 0. This is I have written. Then 2 into 3, 3 into 5. This I have written. So minus 5, this is minus 4, this is 10. This will be the 15 minus 5. Then minus plus 4. This will be the minus 8 and this will be the minus 12. This will be the minus 2 plus 12 and 4. And this will be the 6 plus 15. So simplification after simplification, I am getting the matrix of order 3 into 3. So I have these are the two rules. That means first condition is that we have to check the number of columns of first matrix should be equal to the number of rows of second matrix. And secondly, the remaining element will be the order of the new matrix. That means remaining elements is a 3 and 3. So new matrix is order 3 and 3. But here we observe that AB is a 2 into 2 order and BA is the 3 into 3 order. So AB is not equal to BA, though AB and BA is possible, but we can say it is not commutative. So multiplication is not commutative. The question is AB or BA exist, but their answers are not same. So this is a question of multiplication, how we have to multiply the two matrices. Thanks dear friend. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to share with other also.